Okay, these two are going to be backwards from the previous two. This one is going to give us the units per hour and how many units are in the milliliters, but we need to figure out what is our milliliter per hour. Okay, so desired answer is milliliter per hour, which means we need milliliters at the top of the first fraction. So the piece that talks about milliliters is this 500 milliliters contains 45,000 units. Okay, so pair those up. Now that shoves units to the bottom, which means we need units at the top, and they gave us 800 units per hour. So we'll stack that in there. Units are going to cancel, milliliter on top, hour on bottom, which is what we wanted. So we're good to go. 500 times 800 is 400,000 divided by 45,000 is going to give you an 8.9 milliliter per hour. Now, as I stated in the readings here, these typically we do milliliter per hour as a whole number, but these are such small calculations, we're going to go ahead and round to one decimal place. Now, when you get in your facility and they tell you to go ahead and round to a whole number, that's fine. But for the purpose of this class, let's just go ahead and round it to one decimal place. Okay, part D. Answer D. Question D, sorry. A patient is prescribed heparin. Ignore the slash marks. I messed up my animations. A patient is prescribed heparin at 50,000 units in 1 liter. That's supposed to infuse at 600 units per hour. So we need to figure out milliliter per hour again. So desired answer is milliliter per hour. We don't have anything about milliliters, but they did tell us 1 liter, right? So remember, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, and we're going to pair that with the 50,000 units. Now the units are on bottom, we need units at the top. So they told us 600 units has to happen per hour. So we'll stack those in there. Units cancel, milliliter on top, hour on bottom, which is what we wanted. So we're good to go. 1,000 times 600 is 600,000. Divided by 50,000 should give us 12 milliliters per hour.